Welcome back to another one of my videos. I hope you like this video and subscribe. So today I'm going to be doing I'm going to be making slime like always, but I'm going to be making it with salt. I only use these cheap stuff for my slime because like I don't use my good stuff for my slime. Anyways, I know I'm not in my slime room. I'm in my friend's house, my best friend's house. So yeah. Now, I think I'm using a ShopRite brand of this one too, and this is a ShopRite brand of this one. Next, I'm gonna be using I don't know what those brands are, but I just bought them and picked them up from the store. Okay, so now I'm putting some salt in it. Now I'm just gonna stir it. And if it gets really watery, that means that it doesn't work. Yes, it got really watery. Okay, so let me just clean this up and go to the next body wash. Well, it looks like I just broke my spoon, but it doesn't matter. Anyways, the next body wash that I'm going to be using is this body wash, Ivory body wash. Comment down below if you do the same thing that I'm about to tell you. Comment down below if you play with the shampoo in your hair like a slime, like when you're in the shower and you put the shampoo or body wash in your hand and like the body gel, and then you just swirl it around in your hand. Like, it's so satisfying. Comment down below if you do that. Sorry, I'm saying comment down below so much just because I'm nervous. Don't ask me why. Yeah, this one looks like it's starting to form. Actually. Okay, so this is another fail. And here comes the third one. 3. Hold on. Let me just clean it out. Okay, so here is the final body wash. I think this one's clear. Yeah, this one's clear. So it'll act like clear glue. Ooh, this one's thick. This looks like it would work. Look, like it's really thick and jiggly. Okay. Now let's put some salt. Sorry for the noise in the background. From my friend's house, her mom is doing something. So yeah. Maybe if I add a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more because I just dumped it out. I'm gonna add some more. And maybe if I add a little bit of salt, it will probably work. That's still a lot of salt. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? I'm sorry guys, this video was sad. I'm just kidding. I'm not that depressed. I'm not depressed at all. I'm not that, I don't make my YouTube channel sad. Anyways, yeah. None of these shits work. So yeah. That's it for today's video. Bye.